Jinsung Corporation. The office that I worked at had terrible ventilation, so I always suffered from a sore throat. But after using this product, my aches stopped and I felt so much better. Because it has no noise, it doesn't bother me when I work. And since it doesn't use any electricity, it's very environmentally friendly. In addition, it looks great, it's easy to clean, it has no fungus problems, and because it's made of clay, it's a great health enhancer. In short, I'm really having a great time using it.
곰팡이가 잘 안 들어와서 좋은 것 같습니다.